इट इज अबाउट द कॉन्स्टेंसी ऑफ लव। एक लाइन में अगर आप पोएम समझे तो बस है वो कि सैया रे तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है। दैट्स इट। हेलो। ओह ऑलराइट, लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट एनी मोर टाइम। कल सुबह सबको पनवेल निकलना है। टुडेज एजेंडा सोनेट 116 रिटन बाय द ग्रेट विलियम शेक्सपियर। तो उसके पहले ये आपको करना पड़ेगा, डाउनलोड, इंस्टॉल, गेट ऑल द फ्री मटेरियल दैट यू कैन एंड वी मूव अहेड with the great William Shakespeare. Well, we already know a lot about William Shakespeare, the greatest playwright ever that English has ever seen, और उनके बारे में कभी फुर्सत से बात करेंगे। अभी let's see the poem. Okay, sonnet 116. पहली बात, sonnet होता क्या है? It is a 14-line poem जिसमें से we have 3 quatrains. Now what is a quatrain? Quatrain is a basically 4 lines का एक quatrain हो जाता है। तो we got 3 quatrains, 3 into 4, 12 lines and plus 1 couplet. Couplet means 2 lines. तो कुल मिला के 4 into 3 12 plus 2 14. तो 14 lines का एक हमारा English sonnet बनता है, which is 116 in this case. Shakespeare wrote 150 plus I think 154 sonnets. पढ़ा मैंने एक भी नहीं है, और मेरा दावा है आपके ने भी एक नहीं पढ़ा होगा अभी तक। Alright, maybe in some syllabus or something, but otherwise the best one we have got, the most popular one we have got, and we are going to study. What is it about? It is about the constancy of love. एक लाइन में अगर आप पोएम समझे तो बस है वो कि सैया रे तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है। That's it. So love doesn't change, even if the people change, even if the circumstances change. Love remains strong as oak. बस यही गाथा है हमारी आज की पोएम की। Oh, we started. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which alters when it alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove. Okay, so this is one quatrain. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which alters when it alteration finds, or bends with remover to remove. Now if you kind of try to find the rhythm will be minds and finds, love and remove. Now accents might have been very different when Shakespeare was writing, so in those days maybe it was rhyming in a better manner than what we are trying to do now. Anyway, quatrain हमारा कहता क्या है? Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Well, जब marriage हो रही होती है तो जो priest होता है वो पूछता है, is there any legal impediment that anyone can think of so that these people do not get married? Shakespeare says, I will not allow any impediment if the marriage is of true minds. Now it is not heart, it is not body, it is mind, which means what? The values, the personality, the coming together of people who have similar values and sort of personalities. अगर इनका विवाह हो रहा है, इनकी शादी हो रही है, तो उसमें मैं कोई भी impediment, obstacle, अवरोध, I will not admit, I will not allow any impediment out there. Okay. Love is not love which alters when it alteration finds. और वो प्यार क्या ही प्यार है जो बदल जाए जब बदलाव देखे। क्या बोला है मैंने? बहुत बढ़िया। What the poet says is that love is not love which alters, which changes. If it changes, when it finds changes. Now these changes may be in the person you love, in the circumstances that arise. Okay, whatever things might change, true love does not change, it remains constant. और अगर वो बदल रहा है तो वो कभी प्यार था ही नहीं, समझे आप? All right. Or bends with the remover to remove. Or bends, basically or bends means it could be accept defeat, हार मान जाता है किससे? When the circumstances or any person tries to get the two lovers away from each other, tries to separate. अगर आपके किसी के कहने पे आपने अपने लवर को छोड़ दिया, उस पर शक किया, तो वो प्यार कभी था ही नहीं. तो you don't bend to any remover who is trying to remove love from your life. So let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which alters when it alteration finds or bends with the remover to remove. I will not allow any obstacle to stop the marriage of true minds, which means people who have same values. And love is not love if it changes, when it finds changes of circumstances or changes even in the people, and if it gets defeated or if it removes its lover just because the circumstances or some other person has tried to do so. Oh no, I should have been, I think, exclamation. Oh no, it is an ever fixed mark that looks on tempests and is never shaken. All right, let's take this. Oh no, है क्या फिर वो? It is an ever fixed mark. It is constant. It is fixed. That looks on tempest and is never shaken. Now, out there, it is a metaphor. Thick, fixed mark is like this lighthouse. Now, the lighthouse is fixed, strong. It has seen the storms, tempest, violent storms, the storms that can uproot the trees. तो प्यार का चीज है, पेड़ उखाड़ रहा है वो, बोलता है whatever it is, it is an ever fixed mark that looks on tempest and is never shaken. जो अपना लाइट हाउस है, इसके सामने बहुत आंधियां आई, बहुत तूफान आए, ये नहीं शेक हुआ, it just stood strong. So love is like a strong lighthouse, never shaken, whatever destiny throws at it. तो सच्चा प्यार कभी झुकता नहीं है, ये मतलब है कहने का हमारा. All right, it is very, very strong and of course constant. It is the star to every wandering bark. It is the star to every wandering bark. Now, this star that Shakespeare is talking about is basically the pole star. Pole star की situation कभी position change नहीं होती है. It is fixed and it guides a lot of ships that were lost in the earlier days. क्योंकि अब आपको नॉर्थ साउथ का पता नहीं चल पा रहा है, but if you can figure out the pole star, the north star, then you can be sure कि आपकी direction क्या है. So it is the star to every wandering bark. Bark basically उस समय हम कह सकते हैं they're talking about a ship. Wandering, if you talk about the people, confused people. प्यार है, प्यार नहीं है, प्यार है, प्यार नहीं है. Love is something that guides you in that regard. It is the star to every wandering bark, whose worth unknown, although his height be taken. Oh wow. Whose worths unknown, although his height be taken. Now, there is something tangible. Height आप नाप सकते हैं, but the value of that star, the value of true love, that cannot be quantified, that cannot be measured. So, words unknown, the value of that love, which is guiding these confused souls to reach their destination, is something that you cannot measure, though his height, his position can be taken, can be measured. So this is something that is totally abstract. The value is totally abstract. Whose value? Value of true love. Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks. By the way, this is also a metaphor. So दो metaphor हमने use किया यहाँ पे. The first one was the lighthouse. Ever fixed mark, like a lighthouse, it is being used for love. And again, the star, the pole star, again being used for love. So these are two metaphors out here. पोएम के जोश में हम figure of speech भूल गए थोड़ा. Anyway, next. Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle's compass come. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the edge of doom. Now, let us try and find some rhyme and rhythm. Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks. And then we have weeks. Here we have come, here we have come, dome, maybe the way they were speaking earlier in that Elizabethan era. ठीक है, अभी तो हम comb तो नहीं बोलते हैं, by the way. Okay, now let's understand these lines. Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle's compass come. Now, time is being talked about in terms of being a reaper, जो फसल काटते हैं, and they have a sickle like this. This is the middle part जिससे वो कटता है. If you've seen some movies like जानता नहीं कौन है वो, a lady running with the sickle, all right, that is exactly the sickle. फसल काटते हैं उससे. Now, love is not time's fool. टाइम के साथ लव नहीं बदलता है, वो उसके रेंज के बाहर की चीज है. दो द फिजिकल ब्यूटी, द रोजी लिप्स एंड चीक्स, maybe in those times beauty was considered if somebody was with rosy cheeks and lips. ठीक, within his bending, his कौन? Time. Time's bending sickle compass come. This is the entire range of this sickle. So physical beauty gets destroyed over a period of time, but true love does not. This is what Shakespeare says, that love's not time's fool. Time के चक्कर में नहीं पड़ा है वो. Like rosy lips and cheeks, within his bending sickles compass come. So physical beauty of course comes within time's range. Its sickle, it will cut it, destroy it. Love doesn't. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the edge of doom. Love does not change as time changes from hours to weeks to months to years, but bears it out. वो टाइम को भी हरा देता है. Even to the edge of doom, और judgment day तक, when the world is going to come to an end, till then love stands strong like a lighthouse. Love is guiding people like the pole star, and love doesn't come within the range of time's sickle, and love will bear it out. It will outlast the time itself, even to the edge of doom. And then we have the last two lines, the couplet. It says, if this be error and upon me proved, I never writ nor no man ever loved. Okay. If this be error, if my definition of true love stands incorrect, if it can be proved that what I said, what I just said, what I just wrote is incorrect, I never read, फिर तो मैंने कभी कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है. I was always wrong and no man has ever loved, और कभी किसी ने शायद सच्चा प्यार किया ही नहीं है. Now that is Shakespeare putting everything on line for his conviction that true love is constant, doesn't change regardless of what happens. And if this is not right, if this is not correct, if this is something that is not proved, I never wrote a word. I'm not a writer. And let me tell you, no man ever loved. Because according to me, this is what true love is. A constant, powerful lighthouse guiding people. Wonderfully well written, यार. जिसको प्यार ना हो वो सोच ले भैया सच्चा प्यार होता कैसा, इतना आसान नहीं है. It's not that simple actually. It remains constant. So that was sonnet 116. Theme of the poem, alright, I think it is permanent, unwavering and stronger than time itself was the theme about love in sonnet 116. Permanence, constancy. Critical appreciation, yes. Again, we come to the last line straight away, that is eternal love, constancy, faithfulness, and devotion. Why I don't read these out? Because I think you can get it for free when you do this. What do you do? When you download and install and get all the free material from there. So I just explain line by line in these videos, and later on we'll be talking about the expected questions, what are we supposed to do to tackle them, how are we supposed to frame sentences to mark those answers, or even the MCQs. So kindly download and install this, and thank you very much. It was a short 14 लाइन पोएम सोनेट 116, बढ़िया था लेकिन यार, इन वन लाइन अगेन, तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम रूठा हुआ है। तो वेट करते हैं, सुधर जाएगा मौसम। चलिए बेटा, सी यू, बाय।